Hello. Yesterday I found this bug in the level loader that it's very interesting. I just was investigating and discovered the cause of the bug. I like to document the causes of the bugs in the to-do list sometimes because it's instructive for my future self. So the problem here is that this door was sideways. Why is that? Because in the past I had some doors of or exit doors or force fields in the floor of the levels or at the top. Let me show. Perhaps there are some examples here. No, I think I disabled them. But yeah, okay. Now all the doors are vertical currently, but I was in the past generating levels with exits on top of on the bottom. So I have code here that checks for the solution position, that is the player position inside the level, and the sigil position, compares the X position of both, and if they are in the same X position, it rotates the pedestal by a quarter turn. But what's the problem? The position of the solution begins its life as a vector 3i default value that is 0 in all coordinates, and it only sets the position when it encounters the @ symbol in the data. Let me show you. For example, let's take any level. This is a solution, and the @ symbol represents the player, the asterisk represents the exit, and the letters represent the crates. No? The problem with this, let me search for the level in question. No, it's this one. The problem with this solution is that the player is inside a skeletal crate, and the data, let me search. Here it is. In the data, obviously, the generator cannot put two characters at the same time. So here, behind this, sorry, the highlighting is a bit annoying, but in this position, there should be an @ symbol representing the player and the B letter representing the crate. Obviously, the generator puts only an uppercase B, and so the loader doesn't see the character representing the player. So, and the coincidence here, I was very lucky because the coincidence here is that the origin position is this one, and so the variable in question, this variable, begins with a 0 vector, and it's just in the same X. Sorry. No, sorry. This is this is the origin in this case. Yeah, because yeah, we are here. Yeah, the wall, this is the origin. So the problem was that that position looked like it was on top of the door. So obviously the game code rotated the shape. So to solve this, I should obviously I should change someday the format in which I generate the levels, because this is very useful, but this is not the level. There is another. Let me see. Yeah, but it's the same. It's the same problem. And this is the one, I think. No, it's this one. Yeah. Yeah, here it's the other exit, and this is the entry. Okay. So I should obviously change the format of the level generator and the toString function that prints the level. So let me see. If we are checking for each position in the file, we are checking if there is a crate, and we, in case the crate exists, we replace or we output the corresponding character in the tar table. But in this case, we need to check if there is the same position. Let me see. We should use another symbol. For example, we could use a lowercase version of the letter. So let's do the simplest thing first. I think this should work. Let's remove the levels and generate some levels. There is yeah, to lower. There is a conflict here. Yeah, we should use this function here. Let's see. Okay. Let's clean the data and search to test this. Search for another level like this. Yeah, and it's lowercase. Let's use, in fact, let's use this level for testing. Let's put it at the top. We should use this file, and it's levels. Let's only load the level 0 and see. Of course, this will not. This obviously has the same bug, because obviously we did not add this new card table. shape. Yeah, we should add the new character in the level loader. And let's see, we use the character to set the type here. So we should convert it to uppercase, and this should work now. Why is this? Because we are not sorry, we are not loading, obviously. Let's use, this is only for this will only happen for bone crates. So let's add this hardcoding here, and perhaps yeah, let's do something. Let's do something like this and use, just in case in the future we have other other crates with this. Yeah, let's to be safe, let's find. Okay, now this, yeah, this worked, and the solution. Here we have another problem. It didn't load the because this is an else if. So let's move this here and do this, because this is exclusive with the shape. You know what? Let's search this. I think it's only used here. Yeah, we should rename this to, for example, crate jars. And player cards. Okay. Yeah. So in this case, this should work. Yeah, perfect. We have the normal shape. Okay. It was not so quick fix, but it's very interesting because this the moral of the story, of course, is to use some, in the future perhaps, to use some other format instead of this visual representation, but for the levels. But in the current stage of development, I think I like to be able to see visually and compare the levels in the game versus the levels in the data. So I think I will keep this format for a while, and in the future I will replace it with a binary format or something more efficient, especially when we have many more levels to load. But for now, obviously, these are all the same level. Let me revert this before I forget. Okay. It was interesting to show that, I think, because sometimes bugs are in data, not in code. But I don't know, in this case it was a mixture of both. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share the video or the channel with people that could enjoy this kind of content. Thanks.